Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of my indie devlog series. This week I got a fair amount of stuff done. I didn't get like an amazing amount of stuff done, but over the last 2 weeks I have managed to I made a new sprite. It's temporary again, but I did make a new sprite for the game. Two of them actually. There's a guard, like a security guard. I found just random one on the internet, and then I made like a wheel. You'll see in the video. And then I did some stuff with optimizing code this week, and I made the dialogue system better. But you guys will see all of this in the actual video. For now, I'm going to be talking to you about just some little channel changes that I've made now that I have the first video up. I now have a new profile image, I have a new banner or channel art, and I set up a Tumblr. The link will be in the description. Just anything I mentioned in this video will be in the description if you're interested in it, like the sprites that I found, it'll be in the description. I'm going to try to keep this short and simple, so I'm about to get right into the video. If you do enjoy this video, make sure to like and comment any of your thoughts, feelings, or anything. And if you did really enjoy this, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed. It just really helps. I'm new to YouTube, and so just anything helps. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. Bye! Okay, so it's been about a week since I uploaded my last devlog video, and I have done quite a bit. I haven't gotten as much done as I would have hoped to get done, but I did get a lot done. I just haven't been able to record because every night my mom's watching TV, and it's just like, I don't want the TV playing in the background, but I finally have some time to just sit down and record and talk about what I've been doing, and yeah, that's really nice. And before I talk about all the stuff I added, it's actually kind of amazing how much support I've gotten with that last video. Like, it may not seem like a lot to some people, but it's a lot. Like, I was either expecting nobody to watch the video, or for everybody to be disliking it, and then I'd get a bunch of hate in the comments. Like, but that's not what's happening, and everybody's like giving me support, saying how they remind me of them when they were my age, and it's just like, it makes me so happy because I really just wasn't expecting that. And it just gives me motivation to keep going, and it makes me know that I'm not doing too terrible with this, even though some days I do feel like I am doing terrible. But anyway, so I got some stuff done. The first thing I worked on this week was I found just a random image on Google Images of like a wheel. It's just like a color wheel, and then I just put text on it. And basically how this feature is going to work is that you're going to choose at the beginning of the name what the dog's name is going to be. There's going to be a dog in the game, and you're going to spin the wheel, and it's randomly going to choose, like once you click, it's going to stop, and that's going to be the name of your dog. And oh my, I had way too much fun choosing those names. I used like a random word generator. Like a few of them I chose myself, and the other ones I used the random gibberish word generator, and oh my god, they were hilarious. Like, they were I'm probably gonna have to change them for the actual release, because like they could be taken in a different direction, but you know, I'm having fun right now. It's not gonna be even released for like months from now, so for now, just for my sake, I just let myself have a little bit of fun. The next thing I worked on this week was I optimized a little bit of the code. I noticed that I was rewriting code in 2 places, and so I just turned that into a function, and that's working a lot better now. Like, it's not something you can notice, but it's a lot more efficient, and I like that. That's always good. And it was satisfying to get rid of like 50 lines of code and turn it into like 25 instead, which is nice. And then another thing I worked on was, I haven't actually really done anything with it yet, but I made it so that later I can implement some more stuff, like having, like when there's a certain character talking, it'll show their character image on the side of the dialogue box. So it's, I implemented something for that, but you can't yeah, that's all I did so far this week. It's currently Sunday now, and that's all I've been working on the last few days. Again, I'm sorry for not having vlogged all those days, but I just thought it would be better to have like a higher quality one clip than have like background noise and then me having more clips. But yeah, I hope that kind of sums up everything I did this week, and hopefully I can get more done this coming week and then upload this video. I'm hoping to do every 2 weeks. I don't know. We'll see how much I get done the following week to see if it's even worth uploading a new video. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. I don't know how long it will be, but hopefully I get more done by then. Bye guys! Right now because it's like really late right now, and I had music lessons today and I had cross-country practice, but I just got a lot done today. I got a little bit done yesterday, and then I finished what I was working on yesterday today. And basically what I've been adding is whoever's speaking in the dialogue, their character portrait will show up, and yeah, that's pretty cool, and then their name will show above the dialogue. It's nothing real complicated, but I've just been working on that for a little bit, and now it looks good, and that's nice. Everything's starting to get really messy now, but I've been doing a good job of cleaning up. I've been doing a lot of commenting, cleaning up the code, adding functions where I see fit, and it's going pretty good so far. This project, I think it's going in a good direction. I keep on saying that, but I think it is, and yeah, that's nice. I definitely have quite a bit to go, considering I haven't even made it to the main part of the game, but I'm hoping I can get to the main gameplay soon. I think I'm almost ready to move on to the main gameplay, but I just have a few more things to add on and the introduction stuff, and I have a little bit more story writing to do, which I've been doing a lot of story writing, and story's taking me forever. Like I'm having a writer's block. I don't know. The coding is fun for me. The story writing is not right now. It's taking a lot out of me to try to write that story because I just don't want to write it. But that's okay. I'll try to get past this writer's block. Hopefully I can get past it because it is actually the first day of Preptober, which I'm not going to go into too much today because that has nothing to do with the video. But I have to start prepping for November because I'm doing NaNoWriMo. So hopefully I can get over this writer's block so that I can continue writing the story for this game and then write my story for that. But yeah, well, I don't think I'm going to get any more done tonight. I'm probably just going to watch YouTube for the rest of the night because I'm just really tired of working on this. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye! Okay, so I'm like so incredibly stupid. I literally spent like the last 2 hours fixing just 2 really, really stupid bugs. The first one I had a problem with was the apostrophes were not showing up in the dialogue, and I kind of need the apostrophes to be in the dialogue, and they weren't showing up. Well, it turns out that my font pack did not have apostrophes. So I basically just spent like an hour working on that, and it was such a waste of time. I should have realized sooner that it was just because I didn't have an apostrophe in there. But that is fixed. There are now apostrophes in the dialogue, and the font basically looks the same. I just found a different one on Google Fonts. And yeah, that's good. And then the second bug that I came across was, so it was, again, really, really stupid. I'll show it to you guys right here. So, what I did, oh my gosh, it was so stupid. As you can see right over here, we have the function ready. That is what, any code in the ready function is what's played at initialization, if you didn't know. So when this dialog box comes into the scene, this is the code that runs, and it only runs once. And so I had it set to have the, I'll show you right here. So what it's supposed to do, it's gonna look a little weird right now, but if I get to the part, he's usually gonna be in the center, but for when I have two characters on the screen, I want to have one of the characters on the side and the other on the other side. So I was writing the code for that, and I massively messed up on this by putting only the emit in the ready function. So this would only happen on the first dialogue. And so I just spent an hour trying to figure that out, and then I realized that I hadn't put it in the process, which is the input process, which goes every frame, and it checks every time there's input, every time a new dialogue comes up, that happens. So yeah, I spent way too long trying to figure that out, and then I figured it out, and I just walked around my room just like so mad at myself for not being able to figure that out. But I figured it out now, and I should be able to start implementing the feature where two characters will be on the screen talking. So yeah, that should be good. And yeah, that's basically what I've been working on today. I had quite a bit of time today to work on the project. I had cross country today, but that's all I had. So I basically just been working all afternoon, and it's really late now. Well, not really late, it's only 8:30, but yeah, I'm probably gonna stop working for the day. I'm just glad I fixed that bug, those two bugs. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye! Okay, so I just got done editing a bunch of the footage for this video. I haven't really gotten any more progress done on the game because I've been busy the last few days. I had my championship cross-country meet, which went great. I got 6th place. So no more cross-country, so that means I should have way more time to work on this game and get a lot more done for these videos. I didn't get a whole lot done this week, but I was fairly productive, and I'm almost done editing this video. I just need to add in this clip after I'm done filming it, and then I have to film the beginning of the video, and then it should be good to upload, which is good. I'm really excited to upload this video. I've done so much this week, and I'm happy with it. I think it's looking pretty good. It doesn't look good, but it's functional, and it's just really nice. And yeah, I also set up a Tumblr page for this YouTube channel, so that we can try and get more people to see these videos. Thank you to whoever's already watching these videos. It helps so much. Any views, any likes there, they help a lot, especially because I only have one video up now and going to be 2. So yeah, any help, any support, any views, they help. And if you like this video, it really does help to like and subscribe, but definitely not necessary. It's nice, you know. It gives me motivation to keep going with this project. And yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, bye guys!